My name is Nola and I am so glad to be here with you today. Praying hands. Anyway, so your girl done got knotless braids. I'm super excited. This is how they are looking like. I think this is size medium if I'm not mistaken. So this is how they're looking like. They're really long, so let me step back for you. There you go. And I decided to get curly ends because just to spice it up. I got like knotless braids earlier this year, but they were not this long and they were like a brown ombre ordeal. If I have a good picture of them, I will insert it now. But this is how they are looking like. I really like these braids. I got it done from my favorite braider right now. Her name is Karina. Her Instagram is Slayed by K Doll. So if you guys live in the Fort Lauderdale area, or if you're like in Broward County, Miami-Dade, around that area, go to her. She charges a very reasonable price. In my opinion, she works pretty fast and the work is bomb. It's pretty quality. So today's video is going to be 8 ways that you can style your knotless braids. I thought this would be like a really fun video to do. I know there's like a lot of videos like this on YouTube, but who cares? Like, they're not from me. You want to see them from me, right? All right then. Here you go. You're welcome. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna show you 8 ways to style knotless braids. I love my braids so much, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but honey, my natural edges could never, like, they are laid. I got these done yesterday. They were looking better, they were looking better yesterday, but they still look pretty good. I did not touch them up at all because I don't really feel the need to. I'm not someone who does heavy baby hairs with everything or every hairstyle that I do. So yeah, but as I just mentioned, I got these braids yesterday and I can put them up and it's not painful. This is what I love about knotless braids. They're healthier, they're more natural looking. I feel like they last a longer time. They're just overall a really good hairstyle to get for yourself in the summer or basically year round, especially if you live in a hot place like Florida. You can kind of get these year round, but right now is knotless braid season, so get in, sis, get in. So I'm gonna show you how to style these braids 8 ways, so keep on watching.